The business class seat, it's plenty of space. You have 3 windows per seat, multi options for the seat. You can back here. You can take your footrest up. You can make it longer. You have a pad like that if you want for your feet. In my case, 175 centimeters of height. It's not the most comfortable thing. You have buttons for the light overhead. The buttons, as you can see, the buttons are pretty good. Quality, easy, nothing hard to understand. It takes a while before the seat goes up to full. As stuff, you got a pillow, a blanket, and headphones. The table is under your armrest, easy to take out. You can have it like that, a half movable, multi-position, easy to hide back. The remote control for your PTV is over here. Well, the entertainment system is not the newest one on the plane, not top quality. The screen is in a seat in front of you. You can take it out and back in. That thing about it that when the seat in front of you is turned back, like the person is sleeping, you have to get out, take the screen out. You have to move to have better access to the TV. The seat is not full flat. It does not go 180 degrees down. It's not flat, unfortunately, but it is rather comfortable to sleep in. This is how it looks. Fully taken out. It is comfortable, comfy, cushiony, good. So let's have a look in the Airbus A330 toilet. Pretty normal, nothing special. Water, hot, cold, push to get it. Soap, trash bin. You can get some, what is this? Cups. You have paper towels to use after washing your hands. The closet itself is normal, very similar to other airplanes. Nothing special. Toilet is a toilet. Pad for your child if you need to change it. Convenient. For the toilet, for the hygiene, take this out. Easy peasy. One hand not so easy. 1, 2, and 3. You make a hole inside, and it's very hygienic. Yeah. A toilet is a toilet.